Welcome to my vlog. Happy birthday, girl. It's her birthday. September 19. At saka magluluto siya ng biko.
Ay, aking pansit.
At saka yung pansit. Ano pansit? Give me the pansit. Ayun, pansit.
My man.
Give me my money. Ito yung pansit. This is pansit.
Pansit, bihon.
At saka
That's
yung
pangpanabang buhay.
yung tawag dito lamas atay at saka chicken.
Gidya. Hindi lang panakot lamas. Gidya.
Happy birthday to you.
Sige mo ka ako ate. For the content ng content creator. Oh, birthday ko nandun eh. Tapos yung gumagawa ako ng salad.
Yes, diba? Ano para may remembrance mabawat isa? Oh, look at me. Yan ang ginagawa mo dahil. Mag-slice ka ng fruits. Ayun, busy ang ating birthday girl at maggawa ng bacon. Bacon.
Send ko sa GC.
Yes. Hi, happy birthday, Mylene.
Kain na.
Yeah.
Kain na. Kain na. Ano bowl ni ayun, ice cream.
Wow.
Dalawa pang cake.
Mahal na mahal talaga.
Ice cream cake.
Natin yung birthday girl nagluluto ng biko. Ayan. Luto na yung rice.
I-mix na lang.
Masarap yung mamasak-masak na ano. Ay,
Kamay mo ah.
hindi. Ito nagamit ko ah.
Salamat sa nag-sponsor.
Ano naman.
Si Bimika.
Salamat sa mga nagbigay ng regalo. Yung hindi. Tumatanggap pa. Namin nasa kapikan. Gusto ko sabi ko yung
Pinabukasan.
oh, hindi yung bagong luto talaga na may yung hindi siya mainit na mainit man na. Tapos may lasaw-lasaw. Oh, gusto ko talaga.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come true. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
To you. Ay, cute ng face
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come true. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come true. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you.